Good morning, children. In the last class, you have studied what is multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Yes, sir. Today, we are going to write the multiplication sentence. If the group of things are given, how to write this as multiplication sentence and also how to write as addition sentence. Okay. First, I am going to give you some groups. Look how many groups are there. Take a notebook and write down the question. Write the multiplication sentence and addition sentence. First question given in groups. Here, how many groups are there now? 2 groups. And each has how many stars? 3 stars. This we represent 2 groups of 3. 2 groups of 3. How to write multiplication sentence? Multiplication sentence. Use the multiplication sign and write the multiplication sentence. What is a multiplication sentence? Yeah, how many groups are there? 2. Then how many in each group? 3. So how many times 3? How many times 3? 1, 2. 2 times 3. Right? 2 times 3. So we write the multiplication sentence 2 into 3. 2 times 3. You write the multiplication sentence 2 into 3. Got it? The next one, how to write the addition sentence. Addition sentence. How to write the addition sentence? Yeah. How many 3's are there? How many 3's are there? 3, 3. How many 3's are there? 3 plus 3. This is the addition sentence. And 2 times 3 is the multiplication sentence. Got it? The next one, you do some exercise questions. B. There are how many packets are there? How many groups are there? 3 groups. And in each group, how many are there? Each group has 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 groups of how many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4. Write the multiplication sentence. M means multiplication sentence. How many times 4? 1, 2, 3 times 4. 3 times 4. The multiplication sentence is 3 into 4. Multiplication sentence is 3 into 4. And what is the addition sentence? How many times you have to add 4? 1, 4 plus 4 plus 4. That's it. So this is the multiplication sentence and this is the addition sentence. Now you understood how to write addition sentence. We use the plus sign. And how do you write the multiplication sentence? We use the into sign. Okay. going to give you some other questions that representing groups. The question, see 5 groups of 2. There are 5 groups and each has 2. That means, how do you write the multiplication sentence? 5 into 2. How do you write the addition sentence? How many times 2? 5 times 2. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, it is the addition sentence. Then one more question. 8 groups of 3. How do you write multiplication sentence? Say, how many groups? 8 groups of 3. So we write 8 into 3. Then how do you write the addition sentence? Addition sentence, how many times 3? 8 times 3. That means 3 plus 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 3. How many times you have to add 3? 8 times. Got it? So you can do your textbook exercise page number 99 and 100. Page number 199 and 100. Then next we are going to study the multiplication table for 2. Yes. The multiplication table for 2 is very easy. That means you have to count twice. You have to count, skip counting in 2's. The multiplication table for 2 is the skip counting in 2's. Do you remember skip counting in 2's? Yes. Here I am going to show some groups. Okay. And we are going to form the table for 2. First group has 2 stars. That means how many groups are there? 1 group. How many in each group? 2. How many stars in all? 2. Then next there are 2 groups. Each has 2. Now how many groups are there? 2. 2 times 2. How many in all? 4. Then 3 groups. Each has 2. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then 4 groups. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How many times 2? 4 times 2. 4 into 2. How many in all? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups are there? 5 groups. And each has 2. 5 groups. 5 multiplied by how many are there in each? 2. So 5 2s are 10. The next one, you add one more. 6 groups. Each has 2. How many times 2? How many times 2? 6 times 2. It is 12. Then 7 groups. If 7 groups, 7 2s are 14. Then 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. Okay? You studied the multiplication table for 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. Then you have to complete your textbook exercise page number 101. Then today's class is over. Thank you.